Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah Myers here, back again. So today, here's the backstory. So I was trying to get a editing thing, like an editing software for my laptop, and it was working, and then I realized that if I had a school certification, like to show that I was a student somewhere, they would give me a discount. So I've been trying to get that, and it's taking forever for them to verify that I go to school. So the video that I was editing will not be posted today. It is a video of me chopping off my hair. As you can see, my hair is short now. But there will be another video, and this video is a video from July 17th, 2019 with me and my cousin. So it's a little crazy. I'm just gonna not even gonna edit. I'm just gonna leave it like this because I think it'll be a little funnier. I think it's quite entertaining. I hope y'all enjoy it. Just FYI, my hair is crazy colors, my eyebrows are crazy colors, and my hands are crazy colors because that night me and my cousin decided to dye my hair 4 different colors. Just FYI. So now that I've had a little just FYI thing, let's just get on to this video. Have fun and good luck. I hope y'all enjoy this. Bye! Hey guys! So today we're gonna be making this Japanese candy
thing,
ice cream.
Yeah.
Question mark.
I think we can do 3 things. We can make a cake too. So let's dig in.
Let's go.
So the contents is a tray, a spoon, 2 packets of something weird, a squeezing bag, 2 cones, 1 tart shell, 2 wafers, and sugar sprinkles.
Okay, so quiet. Let's just pop that thing right out.
No, we gotta do
more
ASMR.
packaging.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, so
I'm gonna get slapped.
look, you bent the freaking thing, Hannah.
That's okay. So you just dumped out. We have wafers. We have 2 wafers.
Oh,
It's all you. We have 2 cones.
bothers me. Put it on the freaking napkin.
We have 1 tart. We have sprinkles.
Oh yeah.
We have vanilla cream powder.
And then strawberry cream powder.
Then we have a little frosting thing and a little spatula.
We have this tray. So, yeah. Okay.
And
So the instructions are
cooking.
kind of on the back of the box. So the ice creams are kind of just said to like stick them into the tray like this. So we're just gonna yeet them into oopsies.
You're not very good at this.
Shut
Just
up.
leave it out here. Just leave it out here. It'll be easier. Okay. I need to do it so that's what we're doing. Okay.
Rude.
Can you get chairs? This is gonna be a really long, boring video, y'all.
It is, honestly.
I'm apologizing now. So if you don't care,
And these cones, like, let's be real, they're really
stop
disgusting.
it. And if you don't want to watch this be dumb, then you can just leave now.
Okay. So anyway, so what is this?
So first,
we're gonna have to make this
use
first.
the scissors to cut off the triangle cup. So we have to cut this off.
Mm,
No, get the scissors. We have to cut this off. This is the first step.
No. Because we have to make the icing first.
No, yeah, that's what we're doing. You have to cut off the triangle. Okay, done. And then add the powders of the pink and blue packets into the 2 sections of the tray. Does it say which one goes in which?
It doesn't matter.
Pink goes in this one, yeah. Okay, so we're...
Okay, so it doesn't smell bad. Let's
Put
be
it in.
real. It doesn't stink. Oopsies, I spilled. Look, it's a little piping bag. That's
It's so cute. I'm low-key obsessed. Okay, so that's been done. And now what? Add a full triangle cup of water into each section. Okay. Let's go. She's filling up the water.
Oopsies. Okay.
Here, I'll just put this over here. Okay, now pour it in of each one. Okay, do the other one too. You have to tap on it.
Tricky.
I know, I don't like it. You have to, okay, there you go. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna mix. Should we mix strawberry or vanilla first?
Mix the strawberry because the pink will go with the white. No, wait, mix white first.
Vanilla first, yeah, okay. So we're mixing. It's very clumpy. Do you want to pour this cup?
Oh, yeah, of course. Okay.
You have to stop. Okay, so we're mixing. This looks very crappy. Sorry for a bad quality of Alice. I'm not wanting to flip the camera and actually make it okay. So there we have vanilla frosting.
Oh,
this is what it looks like.
It looks so chunky.
Yeah, it does. It looks pretty chunky. Stop it! You're so dumb. Okay, so there's that. Done.
Delicious.
Now we're gonna do the other one.
My hand is shaking so much.
Ignore how bad this is.
Does it
Okay.
taste good?
No. You look at this. It's literally clumping into a giant ball. What are we making? Cookie dough?
Okay.
Pink cookie dough?
Beautiful. All right, we're putting this
There
back
we
in
go.
there.
So now what does it say?
It literally stinks.
So now we're going to fold the bag down and fill one side with vanilla and one side with strawberry.
It smells like puke.
I don't want to be reminded of that. Okay, so fill one side with strawberry. This is so hard.
This is what we have to use for all three of the tart things, though. So we can't use too much in each one.
Yeah, Allison.
I know. Look at that. Okay.
Okay. Just like shove it in there.
Oh. You need the sound effects. Okay, there we go. Okay.
No,
look at
you have to like shove it down. No, we don't. No, we'll be fine. So now we're just gonna like, yeet it back up. Yeah, I know.
that. Ew, what the?
Okay.
Is this edible?
Yes, it's edible,
Are you sure?
dummy. It tastes like those little crappy little things that you used to eat as a kid, like the little like stars or whatever. Now we're gonna cut it here. Yeet.
This doesn't seem edible. Okay.
Okay, what should we ice first?
Ice
Cream.
Let's go ice cream first.
So we're gonna ice our ice cream.
I want to ice mine.
I'm such a good icer. Look how good that looks.
Yeet.
So
Now we need to
mine's
get our freaking
so
sprinkles out.
perfect. Oh, sprinkles. We need our sprinkles. I apologize. I didn't add that much because I want to save the rest for or whatever. Maybe no, I'll add a little more just to make mine look better than yours.
Oh, so oopsies.
Boom.
Yatta.
What are you doing?
It worked. And look at my beautiful ice cream. Alright, I think we should just eat it.
Like the whole thing?
Just bite it.
I think we should chug it.
Go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, you have to cheers it.
Okay.
Cheers. Okay. The wafer's good.
Really good. How's the word for reaction?
Has a seizure. Rebecca vomits. Why are you looking away from the camera? Are you avoiding the camera?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Let's now, what should we try next? A wafer?
Low-key curious what the ingredients are right now.
Let's try wafer. Probably like cocaine.
Glucose is the first ingredient. And a bunch of other things I can't pronounce.
So this is our wafer. I'm gonna stick it in. It smells like a wafer
That's not
sandwich.
even to do it, sis.
I don't care.
Sis.
You get half, I get half. Ready to cheers it?
It's supposed to look like that. You screwed it up.
Do you want me to make a bigger one?
Stop. Stop. Ouchies, it hurt my leg.
I don't really care. Smush. So, perfect, just like the packaging. Okay, I get the other half.
Low-key, gross.
It tastes like actual cardboard. We have to use the rest of the sprinkles, all of them. You just missed the thing. You just actually missed it. Our
Yeah.
delicious dessert that we haven't eaten dinner yet. Shove it in your mouth. Tell me how it tastes. I want the other half.
So, if you're ever bored, pop and cook it. Tasty and fast. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Love you, boos.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And turn on post notifications.
Yeah!